Welcome to Kids Club.
Let's improve your kids' vocabulary. Let's start by exposing them to household items. House. A house have door, window, and a roof. In a house, we have a living room. In living room, we have sofa, and a carpet, a table, chair, a lamp, a clock, a shelf, and a television. There is a bedroom. In a bedroom, we have bed, and a side table, curtain, a cupboard, and an air conditioner, There is a bathroom. In a bathroom, we have bathtub, a basin, a toilet, a shower, a tap, towel, soap, toothbrush, shampoo, Kitchen is also the part of the house. In kitchen, we have stove, a fridge, oven, a blender, kettle, a spoon, a fork, a knife, a fry pan, a spatula, bowl, a cooking pot, jug, and a glass, a cup, a tray, a plate, a rolling pin, laundry, another part of the house. In laundry we have cloths, and detergent, cleaning supplies, a washing machine, a bucket, iron, and hangers.